top forward, gives you a description of this combination. It's got our silver heads on it. It's got the Pro-Am manifold, Accufab throttle body, fuel management, Terminator X, great system. Front sump oil pan, custom grind hydraulic roller. Got the blacked out front end kit for you. Take you in there, show you how it ran. Alrighty, 3,500, 474 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque 510, peaks horsepower 519. So rated 500, everything's good. Get her off there, put in a crate, come your way, have a great day.